we started with this theorem. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? So here we have proved theoretically how the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, with the help of this model, okay, we can see practically with an activity how the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So for that, if you see, this is a triangle given to us A, B, C. Right? A, B, C. Now, if I add this and this angle, the total of these three must give us 180 degree. That we have to verify. Now, for verifying this, if you see all this are separated, so I will take this as my first angle. This is our angle A, right? Got it? So this is my angle A. Can you please put it? This is my angle A. So this angle A I have taken. Then as I said, this is my angle B. So I just take it out and align it here. This is our angle B, right? So angle A and angle B I have brought together. Now I will bring angle C. So where is our angle C? You can see this corner one was our angle C. So this angle C, if I bring and put all the three together, so you can see the bottom part, are we getting a straight line? The base, yes or no? Yes. Yes, the base is a straight line now. So in a straight line, if you add all the angle, it must give you how much? 180 degree. So this activity shows that the three angles of a triangle, when we add, it gives us how much? 180 degree. That is a straight line. Understood or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.